Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get Google Play Store on your Amazon Fire tablet. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to the link down below in the description. And now you want to go and click on download the Play Store files. And after that will redirect you to this page. Now you'll have to choose the version of your Amazon Fire tablet. And to do that, here I will go for the first option, the 13th gen and the Google Account Manager. I will click on this option right here. Then you want to go and scroll down to redirect you to this page. Scroll down till you find here download APK file, download it. Then go back again to the previous page, scroll down more till you find here Google Services Framework. Do the same process. Then it will redirect to this page. Scroll down till you find here download APK, download it. Then go back again to the previous file. Go and scroll down till you find here Google Play Services. Do the same step. Choose what is actually compatible with your version of your Fire tablet, of your Amazon Fire tablet. Then go for this option, the first one. Just make sure that you have it APK, click on it, then scroll down till you find here download APK, choose it. And after that, you want to go and get back to the previous page, to the first page that I have linked. It's linked down below in the description. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom till you find here Google Play Store Android 10 Plus Universal Node PI. Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should select the first option, the APK, and make sure that you have it APK, not bundle like this. If this link doesn't work with you, you can choose the second link, which is also APK. And after that, you will have to scroll down and click on download APK. And now you want to go and click on these three dots on the top right side, the vertical dots. Then you want to go and click on downloads. And here you have the downloads. And now you want to install them from the bottom to the top. So go and click on each one of them. Then go and click on install. And install again, the second, the third, till you get to the fourth. And make sure that you have this option right here. This one is the last one to be set up on your phone. Now, once you are done, it will ask you to open the application. Do not open it. Just hit the restart button on your tablet. And after that, after you restart your phone, just like so, just hit the power button on top of your phone, of your tablet, I mean. Then hit the reset on the middle. Then when you reset your tablet, here you can see the Play Store icon on your tablet. Just click on it, then log in into your account. And that is it, guys. I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.